going on YouTube. I'm going to turn that back around. Going on YouTube. I seen a couple of guys on YouTube, and I was actually looking for a radio that's like comparable to a tablet. So what I did, I mean, it's always good to watch other YouTubers or other people, yeah, they got their own thing, but you can put your own twist to it as well. But what I did was I have a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. So it was so hard. Well, it might be some out there, but it was just hard for me to come across, a radio where it's comparable to a tablet. So what I did was I got my Tab S7 Plus, and what I did was I attached it to I'll just let y'all look at it. Hold on. But this is what I did right here, and I'm running everything from my hotspot on my phone, so it's real easy like that. But man, when I tell you this is like so dope, and by the way, this is a 2015 Camaro SS. I actually thought this would be too big in the inside for it, but it's not. But everything works perfectly fine. I mean, man, no problems whatsoever. Then, I mean, I am with Verizon, so I guess it depends on what type of phone service you have. I don't have no problems with it whatsoever. Well, I'm still in the driveway. Let me see. It might not even be hooked up to my hotspot. Oh, yes, it is. But, yeah. I know y'all probably can't see because of that glare. Okay, that's a little better. So, yeah, man. This is Netflix, of course. And you got, let's see. You got that right there. Facebook. So, everything worked perfectly fine. Let's see, let me take it over to YouTube TV, just in case I want to catch up on some games while I'm traveling, or I can just detach this and have it in my office, because that's what I'm headed now. I'm headed to work right now. I gotta travel like about an hour and 15 minutes to my other store. But yeah, so this is, oh, then you got the live, so YouTube TV right here. Come on, I don't know why it's taking so long. There we go. But yeah, all the rest of the channels, they load up like this. So, but what I did, I am gonna show how I did it, like how I got it attached to, and it's very stable. So I mean, crossing potholes or railroad tracks, all that stuff, I mean, it's still stable. It ain't going nowhere. But like I said, I am going to show, I'm gonna have a video, posted where how I did this, which I should have recorded yesterday. And yeah, so I definitely let y'all see that my way. But other than that, I'm about to get up on this road safely. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.